beautiful YouTube friends. So I don't know exactly how I'm going to like add this into my video. So it's probably gonna be kind of added to like my hospital bag. You know what's in my hospital bag video. So I'm kind of like inserting in here. But I'm about to make my thank you bags for my nursing, labor and delivery, and postpartum staff. I got the idea from my sister who saw someone else do it, and I've seen them like on Pinterest and TikTok and things. So I thought it would be a good idea. It's like a thank you to the hardworking, essential nurses and my doctor to make just a little thank you bag. So this is all I have. I have, you know, some kisses, some quick little chocolate pick me up, some little kind bars. Cause I kept seeing that recommended as a, you know, quick like little energy snack for them. Some Starbucks double shot espressos. You know, they always need all the energy. Some little Bath and Body Works lotions, different kinds of scents because they're always washing their hands. So I figured like a little lotion would be nice, and hand sanitizer because they're always sanitizing their hands. So different, of course, scents from Bath and Body Works for hand sanitizers. Some gum, packs of gum. Saw somebody put that in their bag, and then that's about it. So, you know, if you have any other recommendations, things to put in there. I did see there's also like chapstick, so I might try to see if I can find like a pack of multiple chapsticks to add to the list, maybe to add to the bag, and see like pins as well. So maybe pins. I don't know. This is what I have so far. I'm going to see how it looks once I'm done. This is the bag, little gift sack, it's iridescent. I'm going to make a note, which I haven't made yet, so I'll probably show that like later on when I show the completed bag. And I'm going to tie it to this ribbon, blue, because I'm having a boy. And it's going to say something to the effect of like, thank you for taking care of me and my mommy. It's going to be signed by Baby J. Still don't have a name for him yet, but we're most likely going to have his name start with a J. So Baby J is what we call him. But yeah, that's just what I'm about to do. So here we go. That's what that looks like. Nothing too fancy. That's about it. I'm gonna like hole punch it, put the ribbon on it, and the note, and that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. One done. About 7 more to go.